need to save your Google Workspace data as PDF files for backup, compliance, sharing, or offline access. In this video, we'll show you a quick and simple way to export your G Suite emails, contacts, calendars, and documents to PDF format. Google Workspace offers basic export options, but saving large volumes of data as individual PDF files can take time and effort. The Kernel Google Workspace Backup tool offers a secure and quick way to export G Suite Mailbox's data to a PDF file format with ease. Let's start exporting Google Workspace data to PDF using this tool. Download, install, and launch the Kernel Google Workspace Backup tool. On the software's home screen, click on Add. Enter G Suite credentials like account login email ID, service account email, and click on Browse in P12 file path. Now select P12 file from your system and click Open. Select List all mailboxes using above credentials, use superadmin login details, and click on Get User Mailboxes. The software will start extracting all the users from the admin account and shows Please wait while current process finishes message. Select the necessary mailbox and click on Add. Select your mailbox and click on Set Filter and Migrate. The software will start enumerating folders from the selected mailbox. Now, review and select specific folders for selective data backup. Apply filters, like Date, Item Type Filter, check the Select if you want to save all data hierarchy into a separate folder, and enter a folder name to save data in a specific folder. Check Skip Previously Migrate Emails, Incremental, to back up only newly added data. Click on I am OK, Start Migration. Select the output format as PDF and click OK. Select the saving location on your computer and click OK. The software will start exporting all your Google Workspace mailboxes into a PDF file format. After a successful backup, the tool shows Process Completed. Please save the report to CSV message. Click OK. Click Save Report to CSV option. Select saving location, enter a name, and click Save. Finally, click OK. In this way, you can easily export your entire Google Workspace mailbox's data to a PDF file format with complete data integrity. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the official website to get the detailed information about the software.